Good day, I'm Frank of Boss Frank Bike Parts and welcome to the first episode of All About Wheels Manila Bisikleta. And sa show na to, i-feature natin yung mga shops, mga cyclist, mga upgrade parts na pwede natin gawin sa mga bikes natin and yung mga cycling events sa ating bansa. And dahil ito ang first episode ng All About Wheels Manila Bisikleta, magpapakita po tayo ng 4 na madidiin at malilinis na builds ng shop naming Boss Frank Bike Parts and Accessories. Ang una ko pong ipapakita ay ang aking road bike na which is Colnago C68. Okay, for the cockpit, I use CC01 handlebar size 41, NV bar tape na black, Bjorn saddle na 143 which is carbon and 3D. Sa wheelset, gumamit po ako ng 3.4 NV na SES. The reason why is ayoko ng aero. So gusto ko yung mga climbing wheelsets. This is carbon din. And for the tires, I also use NV which is 700 by 29C. Medyo comfort siya. And for the group set, syempre po Dura Ace tayo. Yun po yung pinakamataas ng Shimano. But I use compact lang kasi medyo ano lang tayo, pang leisure lang. But the highlight of this bike is the bearings, no. Colnago uses ceramic speed na kung wala po idea, ang Colnago po is gumamit ng sealed na bearings talaga na hindi mo na siya i-repack na para mas matagal yung buhay. And I also use ceramic bottom bracket na ceramic speed and oversized pulley. So everything else regarding this bike is ceramic speed po. And punta naman tayo sa frame. Frame is handmade in Italy. Iba talaga yung paint pag galing sa Italy or talagang dun siya ginawa or pininturahan tsaka binild. So iba rin yung carbon na ginamit na material. The C68 actually is parang ano siya, piece by piece na pinagbubuo siya. So that's the masterpiece or baga artwork ng Colnago. And regarding sa price naman nito guys, ranging to almost 800. So saddle pa lang, it's 23,500. The group set is 100 plus na. The wheel set is 160,000. So most probably abutin tayo ng mga roughly 800,000. So this one is considered as a quality build na pwede na nating magamit sa mga races. And regarding sa performance, sobrang sarap gamitin, sobrang ganda ng Colnago. Kumbaga, one of the top-notch na brands to sa buong mundo. So, yun. So, ito na yung aking Colnago C68 na road bike. So, ang next ko na ipapakita sa inyo is yung aking gravel bike. So, guys, ito naman po yung aking gravel bike na Chapter 2 Kaha na full internal, no? So, ito, one of my favorite bike ko kasi sobrang linis ng build. And yung ginamit natin is almost NV, no? So, sa drop bars, I use 42 yung lapad na SES AR. Tapos, dun sa stem natin, I use 100mm na road stem na internal. Saddle is also NV. One of the expensive na saddle sa market. The seat post is NV and the wheel set is also NV na top of the line ng yun, the said brand, no, yung NV. Sa tires, I use 700 by 38C na Vittoria Terreno Dry na gray wall to complement with the wheel set kasi yung decal size gray. So sinabay ko lang para sobrang uniform and sobrang linis lang nung build natin. Sa group set naman, I use mallet setup which is yun yung well known sa US and sa Europe. So I use SRAM na STI and calipers which is the top of the line ng SRAM. This is AXS, wireless siya, Bluetooth lang siya guys. So you can pair it with mountain bike or road bike components na AXS din ng SRAM. So for the RD, I use XX1 which is the top of the line din ng SRAM. So we paired it and it's working properly. For the cogs, I use 1052 na Garbaruk cogs, which is silver and black, as well as the pulley. So yung pulley natin is Garbaruk din na black silver din. For the chain, I use SRAM also, XX1, black color. So makikita nyo sa bike ko, 2 to 3 colors lang. So that's the proper way nung paano mag-build. And additional, for the crankset, I use Ingrid na chainring and then the crank arm. Crank arm is 170 and the chainring is 3080. So pag ginamit nyo to guys, any road condition, kung saan kayo mapupunta, mapa Timberland, mapa pasyal-pasyal lang, sobrang comfy, sobrang sarap gamitin. Bottle cage is also ENVE. And the water bottle na ginagamit ko every time na ginagamit ko yung bike is ENVE. My computer mount is also ENVE. Cyclovation yung bar tape natin, yung pinaka-premium, which is yung tagto 2,600. Sobrang sarap niyang gamitin, guys. And yun pala, and I use 160mm centerline rotors, which is yung pinaka-expensive or pinaka-maganda ng SRAM. So, parang sa Shimano, meron din siyang Icetech technology. Kumbaga, ice technology siya. So, hindi siya umiinit. So, yung loss of power sa braking, medyo less yung percentage na magkakaroon tayo ng loss of braking. So, yan. Everything, halos lahat nandito na. May-enjoy mo na to. Gamit mo na to kahit sa province, sa city, sa gravel na races. Sobrang okay to guys. And one thing, I use ceramic speed bottom bracket. No, I always use ceramic bearing sa mga bikes na builds namin. So again, this is my gravel bike. This is how we do quality build bikes. And one last thing, the weight of this one is 7.9 only. May gravel bike. For the price of this bike, roughly around nasa 670,000. And dito naman yung aking pinakamamahal na folding bike. And this is a Brompton T-Line. This is the top of the line ng Brompton family. This one is made from UK. Handmade in UK. So, the stock weight of this one is 7.95 based on sa website, but updated weight nito ngayon after nung aking upgrades is 7.71 kilograms. So medyo light pa lang naman yung upgrades natin. Start tayo with the wheel set. From alloy wheel set, nag-carbon tayo na 3 spokes. Maganda yung weight nung wheel set, tsaka sobrang ganda siya gamitin. Tapos yung tires natin, from Schwalbe 1 na tires na black, I changed to tan wall, yung classic tan wall ng Continental. And other upgrade is the seat post. This is H&H. Laki nung na-less nating weight doon sa bike. Another upgrade is the chain. Kung makikita nyo po yung chain, it's black-orange chain from KMC. Model niya po is KMC DLC 10 speed. Always remember guys, pag Brompton po, nag-upgrades na kayo ng speed from 4 speed to 7 speed, you should use 10 speed chain. Don't use 11 and 12 speed kasi masyado na siyang manipis, no? So, yun lang naman yun pa pala. Titanium na side stand, naglagay din tayo, no? Para pag ginamit natin yung bike, every time na bababa tayo sa bike, di na natin kailangang itupi. So, tatayo na siya ng kusa. So, again, this is my folding bike. From 4 speed to 7 speed na upgrade na po siya. And yung brakes pa pala natin is hollow na. So, ang layo ng weight nito compared mo dun sa stock. Yan. The grips is stock kasi sobrang gaan na. The saddle is stock kasi magaan na din siya. But in the future, I need to change this. Maybe Bjorn or ENVE para mas mapagaan pa natin ng konti. Makapag-lesson pa tayo. So again, this is my Brompton T-Line, and the price of this one, updated price, 450 to 470,000. And last, this is my Alex Moulton mini velo bike na naka-road setup, no? So actually wala tayong masyadong binago rito. This is a bike na you can use sa city na naka-road bike feel, no? So the wheel set is size 20 lang pero road yung size, no? Manipis lang siya. I think this one is 1.1. The group set is Campagnolo Centaur na 2x11. So talagang as in road bike talaga yung setup niya. And this one, sobrang sarap gamitin kasi may suspension sa harap and may suspension sa likod. So kapag naluluba kayo dito sa bike na to, para lang kayong dinuduyan kasi yung suspension niya harap-likod. So hindi ka mapapagod or hindi sasakit yung mga kamay mo kapag gamit mo tong bike na to. Ang kagandahan dito, si Brompton is folding, this one is detachable. So itong part na to, tatanggalin mo lang yung screw, then yung mga cables niya, kumbaga di-disengage mo lang, then nakahiwalay na siya. Ganun kaganda tong bike na to, guys. So roughly, the price of this one is around 185,000. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong binago kasi sobrang ganda. May dinagdag pala tayo. This one is from UK din pala and I use Hope Pedals which is UK brand din. So, medyo minimalist tong bike na to pero siguradong lilingunin ka sa kalsada. So, yun guys. Nakita nyo na po yung 4 na bikes ng Boss Frank Bike Parts na bumida dito sa episode na to. And marami pa po kayong makikita ang mga bikes na iba't ibang klase. So again, I'm Frank of Boss Frank Bike Parts and Accessories. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa next episode ng Bisikleta ng All About Wheels Manila.